real pupils and real results. Welcome to A&A Driving School. I can proudly say that we are proud to be part of every student's driving journey, from the nervousness of their first lesson to the victorious moment of their passing the test. Our students have shown dedication, courage and growth. And to be honest, these success stories are just a reflection of their hard work. And of course, the commitment of our driving instructors who helped all these learners to become a safe and skilled drivers. At A&A Driving School, we don't just teach people to drive. We help them shape the confidence and become a responsible driver for the rest of their life. So join us as we celebrate these proud moments and the inspiring journeys behind this success. And remember, you could be the next one. Imagine from zero driving experience to becoming a confident driver. To do that, all you have to do is book your driving lessons with A&A Driving School. And also please do subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and press the bell icon button for the next upcoming videos. Thank you very much for your support.